All right, let's go over some review. Draw the following 2D shapes or two-dimensional shapes, and then write 2 sentences to explain each shape. We've gone over 2D shapes, and you should have been going over them since kindergarten. Easy work right here. Your first shape, triangle. Everybody should know what a triangle looks like. Triangle, 3 sides, 1, 2, 3. 3 angles, 1, 2, 3. All right, now this is important for when you get on to your end of year testing. You need to be able to describe these shapes, the attributes of them, using your own words. So let's write, like we just said with our words, a triangle is a 2D shape with 3 sides and 3 angles. All right, easy work right there. Let's go on to your next shape, rectangle. Another kindergarten shape, rectangle, looks like that. Similar to a square, but you have 2 shorter sides and you have 2 longer sides, giving you a total of 4 sides. Now in the comment section below, for some extra credit, I'll be checking it. Who can give me the name that describes these sides right here that will never touch? What do we call sides that if they went on forever, they would never touch? Drop it in the comment section below. And then let's go on to describe your rectangle. Again, it's a 2D shape, so let's write a rectangle is a 2D shape with 4 sides and 4 angles. All right, let's zoom in so you can see. And let's move on to your coins. Solving money, word problems. So you're just reading. Each person has a different amount of coins, and you need to find the value of these coins. So if you have 3 dimes and 18 pennies, how many cents do you have? Anytime you're doing coin word problems, you always want to start with your largest value coin. In this case, you start with the dime because you have dimes and pennies. Dimes are worth 10 cents, and then pennies are 1 cent. So you have 3 dimes, let's draw 3 dimes. 1, 2, 3, circle them up. And now we're not going to draw 18 pennies because that would be too many coins on the screen, and it's too much, it'll take too much time. So at the end, let's add our 18 pennies, the value of it, to the value of our 3 dimes. So let's start skip counting by 10, 10, 20, 30. Easy work right there. And now let's add our 18 to our 30. Some of y'all can do that in your head, but to show how we got our final answer, let's go ahead and add it on the side. Starting in your 1 section, or your 1's place. 0 plus 8 equals 8, and then 3 plus 1 equals 4. Make sure you got your cent sign in your answer, 48 cents. Easy work right there. Let's go on to if you have 4 dimes, 3 nickels, and 12 pennies, how many cents do you have? Again, you want to start with your largest value coin. It has an order for you on this one. 4 dimes, each dime has a value of 10 cents. Let's draw them out. 3 nickels, 5, 5, 5. The value of 1 nickel is 5, so we have 3 of them. And then again, we have 12 pennies. We're not going to draw 12 pennies. We're going to add them on the side when we get done counting the rest of your coins. All right, let's skip count by 10 to count your dimes. 10, 20, 30, 40. And now keep 40 in your head. And from 40, let's skip count by 5s. 45, 50, 55 cents. Now, let's stop. Remember to add those 12 pennies to the end. Again, let's add them to the side. 55 plus 12, 5 plus 2 equals 7, 5 plus 1 equals 6, 67 cents. And let's go on to your last one. If you have 1 quarter, 2 dimes, and 4 nickels, and 9 pennies, how many cents do you have? Starting with your largest value coin, this time we have quarters, so let's start with your quarter, 25 cents. And then your 2 dimes, 10, 10, and then 4 nickels, 5, 5. At the end, we'll add our 9 pennies so we won't have to draw and fill the screen up. Starting with 25, let's skip count by 10 from 25. So 25, we just go into tens place and add 1. So now 25, 35, 45, and then keep 45 in your head. Now let's skip count by 5. 50, 55, 60, 65 cents. Again, let's add our 9 pennies at the end. Let's add them up here. 65 plus 9. 5 plus 9, we have to regroup. 5 plus 9 equals 14. Carry over your 1. 1 plus 6 equals 7. 74 cents. If you need to see those, you can pause the video. And let's go on to your skip counting ones, and then we'll almost be finished with our video. Make sure you read your directions. Count backwards. So we're going backwards in our pattern. Most people are used to going forward. Count backwards and then complete the pattern. If you look at this, you can see our pattern. 118, 107, or 180, 170, 160. Now, this is how I teach skip counting. Look at that pattern. 18, 17, 16, 15. But it's not ones. We're skip counting by tens. So now we'll go 14 tens, or 140, 130, 120. Look at the pattern. 16, 15, 14 tens, 13 tens, 12 tens, and we keep going down until you got the 0 tens. Let's look at this pattern. 355, 350, 345, 340. If you notice, our hundreds place stays the same. It's going down by 5s. From 55 to 50, it's 5, and then another 5, and then another 5. So in your head, let's go down from 40 to 35. And then like you're skip counting by 5s, 30, and then 25, and then we keep going down, 20, 15, 10. And now let's go on to your last one. This is one that's similar to this one up here. Let's look at the tens. 533, 523, 513. Let's look at them tens. 53 tens, 52 tens, 51 tens, 50, 49, 48. And then that ones place stays the same. So 483, 47, or 473, and then 463. Look at that pattern. All right, easy work. You should be able to finish these up quick. 5 plus 7 equals 12. Put down your 2, carry your 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4, 42. 25 plus 17 equals 42. Next one, 3-digit addition. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 5 plus 3 equals 8. 2 plus 2, 4, 488. Let's do these subtraction ones, and when we get our answer, let's go ahead and check them. 6 minus 9. In your head, you should say, I can't do 6 minus 9. 1 on the floor, go next door, cross out, cross out. That 6 is going to borrow from the 4. The 4 is going to turn into a 3, and it's going to give that 110 to the ones place. Now you got 16 take away 9. You can do that. 16 take away 9 equals 7. 3 take away 2 equals 1. 4 take away, or 5 take away 1 equals 4. And then let's check our answer. Let's get this number, add it to that bottom number, and if we get 546, we know we got it right. If we don't get that number, we got it wrong. So let's add that on the side right here. 129 plus 417. 9 plus 7 equals 16. Carry 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 1 plus 4 equals 5. 546. Let's go ahead and put a check. We know we got that one right. Now let's go on to your last one. 7 plus 2 equals 5.
Right.
Or 7 minus 2 equals 5. 4 minus 4 equals 0. 3 minus 2 equals 1. 105. Let's do the same thing. Let's add our 2 bottom numbers. And if we get that top number, we know for sure we got it right. 242 plus 105. 2 plus 5 equals 7. 4 plus 0 equals 4. 2 plus 1 equals 3. 347, 347, we got it correct. All right, we'll have another video up for your math tomorrow. We'll be going over the same type of thing, but this time we're gonna have to draw our 3D shapes. So tomorrow you'll learn how to draw your cube, your cone, your sphere, your rectangular prism, your square base prism or pyramid, and your cylinder, and then we'll go over some similar review stuff. So we'll see y'all tomorrow.